How could the SVB Bank collapse affect startup businesses? Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the world of finance and investments. In today's video, we're going to discuss the recent news of the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, or SVB, and how it could affect startup businesses. We'll also provide some insights into what startup businesses can do to mitigate any potential impact of the SVB collapse. Finally, we'll share how Exodus Capital can help startup businesses with their financial planning needs. So let's get started. Number 1, understanding the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank. Silicon Valley Bank, or SVB, has been a leading provider of financial services to startup businesses for many years. They have been a significant player in the venture capital industry, offering a wide range of services to entrepreneurs and investors alike. However, recent reports suggest that the bank is experiencing financial difficulties, and there are concerns that it could collapse. The collapse of SVB would have significant implications for startup businesses, as the bank plays a critical role in providing financial support and services to entrepreneurs. Startups often rely on SVB for capital, banking services, and other financial support that they need to grow and thrive. The loss of this support could be devastating for many startups, especially those that are still in the early stages of development. Number 2, how the collapse of SVB could affect startup businesses. The collapse of SVB could have several significant implications for startup businesses. At Exodus Capital, we understand startups' challenges and are here to help. Our team of experienced financial advisors can help you navigate the complexities of the financial world and develop a comprehensive financial plan that aligns with your unique needs and goals. Whether you need help with capital raising, financial modeling, or financial management, we have the expertise and resources to help you succeed. So, if you are a startup business looking to protect your financial future, contact Exodus Capital today to learn more about our services and how we can help you.